Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2024 Honda CRV Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to prepare is the K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new Honda Smart Key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose Smart Key Generation, Honda, CRV. Select 4A's menu. Put the key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Honda. Vehicle. Asia. Find CRV. Choose after 2023. Smart Key. Push button. Select Add Smart Key. Please turn off the ignition switch and click OK. Put a programmed smart key in the car. Take out the other keys at a distance of more than 5 meters outside the car. Click OK. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Take all keys out of the car within 100 seconds. Finish. Click OK. Put another smart key to be programmed in the car. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. The number of keys has been successfully programmed to click OK. Programming completed. Please turn off the ignition switch. Please turn on the ignition switch. Check if the key can be used normally. Click OK. Let's see if the keys work. The original car key. Hit on the brake. Press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2024 Honda CRV. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.